How to remove group chat in Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you no longer want to be part of this specific group chat that you're affiliated with. All you have to do in order for you to leave this specific group chat is to click on that conversation right there and click on this information section right there. Now, if you want to leave this specific group, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner right here, and you are given an option to leave this specific group, and you will no longer receive any notification about them anymore. Another way is to delete this specific conversation in order for you to delete the contents of this specific group chat. So another way to do that is just to click on delete conversation right here. And if they chat once again, they will automatically pop up on your Facebook Messenger. So that's how to remove group chat in Facebook Messenger. Hope you help.